Hey guys, I hate this. I hate it. I'm gonna get two things for this camera. I'm gonna get a Joby and a Rode mic. Yeah, gonna be a Rode mic. It's the one that Lake Fork guy uses, so you can just listen to him if you want to hear what it'll sound like. But I'm gonna make a video of preparing my boat. It's gonna be taken out pretty soon here, maybe next weekend. I'm gonna be hitting up Lake Wanahoo in Nebraska sometime soon. You guys, if you know where that is, great. If you don't, you'll find out. But it's in some of Andrew Flair's old videos. So yeah, I'm gonna get you on the tripod and then we're gonna go get my boat out, get all prepared. So I'll talk to you guys then. Okay, so problem, that's in the way of the trailer back there. Yeah, it won't focus. It's annoying. So, we'll get my dad to move the sprayer and I'll be back. Got the cavalry. Got the trailer out right there. We're good. Let's get to work. Alright, so this is my boat and the trailer for it. Basically what we're gonna do is kind of clean it, kind of not. I want to do a modification for my rods. See this thing right here? I used to use this to hold all my tackle, but now that I have my I use like a big tackle bin. Now that I have my tackle bag, I can use that to hold the rods, and I'll show you my thought process on that. So let's just get to it. Alright, so basically my thought process is bore a couple holes through these and then we can feed the rods through. We're gonna try that right now and see how that works. Okay, so first step is to get the rods. I had trash bags and stuff back here, but so good. So here's my Silver Max and Vengeance combo. Here's my one spinning rod. I have like two more. Sitka and Vengeance rod. Here's my amazingly backlashed Quantum Accurus PT with a square bell. Give me a second. Yeah. This is Craftsman, so it should work better. Okay, so I'm editing this video, and I just found that clip of like when I'm putting the rods in and putting in the second rod, and the song, you can hear the song playing, and then you hear me whistling, and it's just like, just listen for it, because you'll hear my whistle, and the song is perfectly in sync. I never thought I would do that. I never thought it'd be there just like that, that minute, that second. That clip, that song, right there. So just listen for it, and you'll hear it. Pretty dope. Kind of worked, which surprises me. See, look. Wow, it's gonna be fun to edit. But look, see, I can still put one more bait caster on there. So that technically means I can buy another one. I have a broken rod that I can get fixed, so I can get a reel for that. I'll be set, good to go. So that's all I really wanted to do in this video, making that little modification. But now what I'm gonna do is clean the boat, get it all ready. I'll come back to you guys when I'm done with that, and I'll show you. So peace out. I'm gonna use something that maybe not all of you have access to, but I'll go grab it. And if you do, it's a great idea. Pressurized air. It's great. So you can just I think that was pretty effective. It worked pretty well. Here, I'll show you. Here, look. See. Used it. I blew out all the crevices. I mean, it's gonna be a dirty boat this year. The rod holder and everything. I mean, I couldn't really be happier with the way this is all turned out and stuff. This is annoying me. I mean, it looks good, you know? This video here, I hope you guys liked it. Just kind of getting the boat ready with a little bit of a struggle getting it out. It's off, my arm's shaking because the videos, the whole setup's heavy. That was like a little deal. Getting the boat out, all situated, cleaning it, easy stuff like that. But hey, it's what you gotta do. You gotta keep your boat clean, you gotta keep it looking nice. So this year, what we're probably gonna do with it, is get a outboard motor for the back, like a 2 or 3 horse, maybe even 4. That way when we go on Lake Wanahoo, bigger lakes like that, we can not have to rely on battery power to get us across, and we can save weight too, because all those batteries weigh a lot, so we can just take like one battery to work the banks and stuff, and it'll work fine. But that's basically me gonna be including this video here. So I'll work on editing this, get another video out to you guys. I'm not gonna have a schedule of videos. I'm just gonna keep putting them out. A little baby channel, gotta grow it. So, getting ready for fishing 25th. Getting ready for fishing 2017. There we go. That's the year we're in. I got a haircut too, if you guys didn't notice. Jeez. All right. So yeah, probably gonna play some basketball, get a workout in, get these bigger. I'm gonna dunk, guys, 10 feet with something other than like a wiffle ball or a dodgeball. I can dunk like a little rhino skin dodgeball or alligator skin dodgeball. It's a brand. They don't actually make it out of that. But look those up. I can dunk one of those. I can almost dunk a volleyball, but that's that. I guess I'll talk to you guys some other time soon. I'll try and get a fishing video out. That's kind of boring, but I'm trying to get out to you guys what I can get out. So, peace.